Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar, the founder of Think and Code YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain how to generate a Captcha using the Python programming language with the help of GitHub Copilot AI. Captcha. What is Captcha? So Captcha is a security mechanism used on websites to distinguish between users and automated bots by presenting challenges that are easy for humans but difficult for machines. Okay, now let's go into the program. We are importing the built-in string module using the import keyword. So here import is a keyword where we can import modules and string is a module here. Okay, and giving it as the alias s using the as keyword. Okay, so import string as s means you are importing the string module and giving it the alias s, so you can use its features or functions by typing s instead of string. Okay, so we can give or we can write as s dot whitespace s dot ascii underscore letters s dot x digits like that. So what is string? So string is nothing but it is a module where it is a collection of string constants. Okay, the string module in Python provides a collection of functions for common string operations. Okay, now I'm writing import. So with the help of GitHub Copilot, we are getting the suggestions. So I want this random module also. So I'm pressing tab. So what is the random module? So import random as R means you are importing the random module and giving it the alias R. So you can use its functions or features by typing R instead of random. So we can give like R.choice, R.shuffle like that. Okay. What is a random module? A random module is a built-in library used to generate random numbers. Okay. Clear, right? Now I press enter. Then I got the suggestions like this. Def generate underscore captcha of length. Okay. Here I am giving the length value as 6 because the length of the captcha will be 6 or 8. But here I am giving, in our example, I am giving as 6. So if I press enter, see I got the suggestions with the help of GitHub Copilot. Now I'm pressing enter. So here you can see like we can click on this cat symbol. Okay. So that's it, the program. Now I will explain the program. See. So here def is a keyword which is used to define a function. Okay. So generate underscore captcha. So it is a function name. How we can define the function name with the help of def keyword. Okay. Here length is a parameter of integer data type. So here we are giving the length as 6. Okay. Because the length of the captcha in most of the cases it is 6. Okay. So here character is a variable. Okay. That creates a string containing all uppercase and lowercase letters plus all digits from 0 to 9. How means s dot ascii underscore letters. So s dot ascii underscore letters means what it will be small a to cap small z, cap say to cap z. So it will be like, so s dot ascii underscore letters means from small a to small z and cap say to cap z values will be there in the form of string. S dot of digits means you can see here. It is in the form of string where the numbers will be from 0 to 9. Okay. S dot of ASCII underscore letters means it is a string constant that contains all uppercase and lowercase English letters. Okay. This is lowercase and this is uppercase. Okay. What is a constant? A constant is a value that does not change during the execution of a program. Okay. So what does the characters hold? It holds small a A, B, C, D, F, G, and uppercase A, B, C, D, F, G plus 0 to 9. Okay. So what is Captcha? It is a variable. This creates a variable named Captcha to store the generated Captcha string. Okay. Next, join of r dot of choice characters we are iterating. Okay. So join. This joins together a sequence of characters into a single string with no separator between them, because here we are not giving any space. So there won't be any space when we join. Okay. So what is r dot of choice? So r dot of choice means random dot of choice. It is a function from Python's built-in random module that is used to select a random element from a sequence. Okay. So what this indicates? So r dot choice of characters for underscore in range of length. This is a generator expression that runs length times, means here length how many we can give 6. So this is a generator expression that runs 6 times, each time picking a random character from the characters using the r dot choice of characters. Okay, again I'm repeating. So inside join, what it happens is like, it is a generator expression, not function, generator expression that runs 6 times, because here the value of length is 6, right? So it runs 6 times, each time picking a random character from the characters variable. Okay, string using r dot choice. Okay, what is r dot choice? It is a function from Python's built-in random module that is used to select random element from a sequence. Okay, I'll show you here. So for first iteration, second, third, fourth, five, six. So we here the length is 6, right? So 6 iterations will be there. Now see here. So for first iteration, with the help of r dot of choice, we will get, suppose we get capital K. For second iteration, we get 5. For third iteration, we can get N. For fourth iteration, we can get O. For fifth iteration, we can get 2. For sixth iteration, we can get B. So here we not give space, right? So it generates a string with no spaces. So the value of this captcha variable will be like this. Okay. So next we are returning those captcha. Okay. Next we are printing generate captcha. So I am running this program. Let's see here. I'm saving this program. I saved it. Now I'm running this program. See here. See here we are generating captcha. See here randomly. Okay. So with the here we have chart in GitHub Copilot chart. So here you can give it like, I'm giving a prompt like this. Can you explain the code step by step with example? I'm pressing enter. See here, it's saying step by step. Okay. See here. What we did, we are importing modules. That's what I said, right? After that, defining the function. With the help of def keyword, we have defined the function. Okay. See here, this defines a function named generate underscore captcha that takes an optional parameter where its length is 6. Here we can change to 8 or some other thing. Okay. Creating a character pool. Okay. This lines creates a string containing all uppercase and lowercase, small a to z, capital A to z, and digits 0 to 9. So it will be like this here. So this characters variable will hold this type of string. Okay. Generating the captcha. So this uses a generator expression, not function. Function means we should use yield keyword, but here we are using generator expression. Remind generator expression to pick a random character from characters means from these variables of length times means 6 times means 6 and joins them into a string. Okay, with the help of join method. Okay, for example, if length is equal to string, it might generate some random like this. Okay, returning the captcha. The generated captcha string is returned. Printing the captcha calls the function. We are calling this function. Okay, and prints random 6 character captcha. So if you run the code, you might see this one like this. Example like that. What is the summary? This code generates a random string of letters and digits like a captcha of a specified length. Means here we give default length as 6 and prints it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If the video is nice, watch it. Please like it and share it to your friends. And please comment on the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.